Alright, YouTube. We're gonna play a little bit of Bill Withers when no sunshine. I got both 12s back in there. I had to do a little extra work on it today. Blue one, got it changed out. Still didn't sound right, so I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit. Of course, I still got, you can't see it down there, but let me see if I can turn it flat on. Two MA Auto 12s up in there, and so I just wanted to play a little bit for you so you can actually see that it sounds pretty good, you know, with two 12s. They're rated about 450, I believe, RMS, max 600. So anyway, Bill Withers, Ain't No Sunshine. Alright, let's get this rolling. It's going to be a short video.
Shine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gonna stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. And I know. Hey, I ought to leave a young thing alone, but ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And this house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away.
See how it goes when we're on the outside of it. I don't know how it's going to sound. Another Bill Withers song. Got a nice looking red Dodge Mega Cab. Check it out. Yo, CMD audio. What I'm talking about.
All you want to do is excuse me. But my answer.
Alright, I'm gonna call it quits.
There's no that use me, sir.
Anyway, neighbor might get mad at me a little bit if I can continue. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe. Let me know. Give me some ideas. I know you know, 212s like that can't sound too good, especially when you don't have it too much. I need to get some CMD audio speakers when he starts building his. Probably like 2 Sundown 15s, 2 Mofo 15s, high dollar stuff, you know. I can't afford all that. So anyway, working on a budget, so whatever. Alright, y'all have a good one. Peace.